Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. I hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about FedEx stock, ticker symbol FDX. Make sure you stick to the end of the video for my opinion on this stock. So FedEx is currently priced at $155 per share. Past year, down 3.25%. Past 5 years, down 9.19%. So it's definitely trending downwards ever since early 2018. Taking a look at the stats, market cap is $40 billion. P ratio is 31, and dividend yield is 1.67%. Scrolling down a bit, you see that the earnings, the Q4 20 actual EPS was above expected EPS, which is good to see. I'm taking a look at the financials. You can see that annual revenue for Q2 20 or 2020 is below 2019. So 69.22 billion versus 69.69 billion. Now in terms of quarterly revenue, you can see it took a slight dip relative to previous quarter, and earnings was also negative. Now in terms of analyst ratings, you can see that it's 2.3, so between buy and hold, leaning more towards the buy. And for average price targets, currently it's $155 per share, slightly below the $168 average from the analysts. Taking a look at the key stats, you can see the trailing PE, so that's price to earnings ratio in the last 12 months is 31. Forward PE is better at 12.53. Scrolling down a bit, 52-week change is 3.32%. 200-day moving average is 134, so it's still trading above the moving average. In terms of held by institutions, 75% hold the institution. It's held by institution. In terms of dividends, you can see trailing is 1.66%, and that's at a payout ratio of 53%. So it seems like this is a sustainable dividend payout. Profitability, profit margin is 1.86%. Operating margin is 3.94%, so it's a bit on the lower side, but it's still profitable at the moment. Management effectiveness is at 2.67% for return on assets and 7.13% on return on equity. For income statement, you can see revenue is 69.22 billion, and revenue per share in the trailing 12 months is $264 per share. Quarterly revenue growth down 2.5%. Gross profit is 16.84 billion. EBITDA, so that's earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, amortization, 6.34 billion. Net income is 1.29 billion. Now total cash is 4.88 billion, so it's good to see that cash help them sustain their business during these times in the current climate. Total debt is 36 billion. Debt to equity is 197. So for every dollar equity they have $197 in debt. And operating cash flow is 5.1 billion, whereas levered free cash flow is 1.35 billion. So overall, it seems like they're still profitable, but this quarter was impacted due to current climate. Now taking a look at the actual earnings report, you can see fiscal 2019 is slightly lower than fiscal 20 for revenue. Operating income is also slightly lower. Operating margin is also lower. Net loss income is lower as well. So overall, in terms of FedEx stock, I think they're going to be impacted next quarter as well due to current climate. So the revenue will be taking a hit, also their expenses. I don't plan on buying FedEx stock anytime soon, and don't see myself doing so in the future either. It's highly dependent on consumers shipping products as well as goods. And I do see FedEx being positively impacted once things reopen. But in the meantime, FedEx will definitely take a hit due to current climate, both on the revenue and expenses. So I'm not starting a position anytime soon. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on FedEx stock? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.